Hi everyone, Librarian Jennifer here with another episode of STEAM at Home. Today we're going to be making a hovercraft. So go ahead and gather your materials, paper plate, straw, a balloon, some duct tape, and your scissors, and we will get started. Okay, so step one, in the center of your paper plate, you're going to make a hole, and you want it just big enough for your straw to go through. I'm going to stick my straw through and push it all the way through so my plate's flat on the table. And I'm going to cut my straw off so I don't have too much sticking out of the top and only a little bit out of the bottom. So now my plate's flat on the table. So I'm going to take my balloon and I'm going to put it right over the top of the straw. And now we're going to use duct tape. And we're going to tape the balloon to the straw and over the straw and to the plate. You want to make sure you get a nice seal so no air can leak out. Okay, so you can see I've taped top and bottom. This is actually the second one I've done because my first one wouldn't lift off, but I think I have sealed all of my holes now and I should be good to go. Alright, so you can see I've done lots of tape. I don't think I have any holes anywhere. Lots of tape on this side. I'm going to blow it up and see if we can get this guy to move. Let me try. I think I just didn't blow it up enough. Let's try that again. Are you kidding me? Okay, so I've made another version. This time I used a bowl and I used a lot of tape. And I have tried doing multiple straws to see if that helps at all and making sure that the straw goes all the way down and is touching the table. So let's see. There are absolutely no leaks, but it's still not moving. Well, it seems that this project is just a flop for me. See if you can make this work at home. I've done this before successfully with CDs, but most people don't have CDs hanging out around their houses before. So let me know. Can you do this at home? Have you been successful? This is Librarian Jennifer signing off because I've spent way too long on this project. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are on Facebook, leave a comment below. Let me know if you got this project to work. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time for another possible episode of STEAM at Home or maybe another flop. I'll see you guys later. Bye.